Sales magic words. Your best practical sales tips and scripts for sales success. Did you know that 80% of cold calls fail in the first 30 seconds? Most salespeople lose their chance for a successful cold call because they start the wrong way. Learn proven sales training techniques to avoid this mistake.
Hello, this is John from Progress Co.
Wrong start, lost deal. But if you know how to open a cold call with confidence, you can double your chances of success. This is one of the most effective sales techniques.
Hi, Alex. This is John. I'm not sure if this is for you, but I believe it could be useful. I'm calling from Progress Co. Company.
What happened? What has changed? Look, nobody was expecting your call. You are calling the client at a time you chose, not them. You should respect the client's feelings and try to lower their natural resistance to an unexpected call. And now, remember the sales magic words. I am not sure if it is for you, but in our animated microlearning training module, you will see exactly how to avoid common cold calling mistakes and what to say instead. Practical sales tips for immediate use. Want to see more proven sales tips, cold calling techniques, and ready-to-use sales training content? Subscribe to the channel and drop us a comment. More animated sales scripts and techniques are coming soon. Cold calling made simple with sales magic words.